life lately? Pero Mateo.
Documentation niya. Hey guys! Last day! Psychiatric duty.
This will be our last formal meeting.
Yes! Road to 40! Guys, thesis namin guys. Guys, good morning. Ito sila Syra and Ashley. Anong feeling? Anong pakiramdam na last day na natin ngayon sa Mento? What feeling? Saan inspired yung gawa mo, pre? Kay Mango. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, blow your candle.
Wish.
Ooh, happy birthday.
Wish taon.
Happy birthday to you. Documentation niya. Wow, research defended.
Ilan page yung ganito nyo? Ilang pages?
This is the race. Graduate na kami guys. Fourth year na kami. Masaya ka pre?
Wala pa tao, hindi pa ako nagtitipin.
Ay, hindi pa pala. Wala pa. Di pa pala sure guys. Update namin kayo pag thesis defended na. Sarap nito guys oh. Flying saucer sa Tidal. Memories bring back.
Ano yan?
Pagdating sa final, napagawa niyo ano naka-attach yun sa appendices. Yung transcription memos ninyo.
Hey guys! Last day! Psychiatric duty! Bye-bye!
Tingnan nyo guys, picture na kami. Yay! Last day na!
Ay! Yay daw! Tapos na kami guys. Case dependent. Pero di kami napili. Yay! Ano masasabi mo? Tsaka si Kimberly. Ay! Di pala si Kimberlyn to, si Kinit.
And then, because I am a defender.
Wow. Bye, Kimberlyn. Bye-bye. Na-touch na ako sa kanya. Sobrang tagal.
Bye, Kimberly! Touch mo kay Ma'am Eric! Bye, Kimberly!
Tama na.
Hospital gown. Gown, go. May ganun sa uli. Go.
Guys, defense na namin bukas. Good luck, everyone. Ang dami. Ito yung sa amin, guys. Ito.
So that means if you will be diagnosed with this condition, please should start with some minor memory loss, but then if the patient will not respond to medication, then definitely expect that to go at a progressive medication. So with that, this will be our last formal meeting. Last meeting. I know. Kanina ang inyong mga sarili. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hi! Before defense, tomorrow defense namin, guys. Hi guys! So for today's vlog is case defense na namin. Case defense, research defense. So, anong feeling? Anong feeling na
Kahapon di ako kinakabahan, pero ngayon, I can feel that.
Yes! Para ako reporter, Mang Dani. Bye-bye! Good luck to us! Good morning, respected panel members and colleagues and guests. Today we are honored to present our thesis proposal entitled An Analysis of Numerous Cases of Chronic Kidney Disease in Telejero, Balangas. Hello everyone! Life update as a student nurse, as an incoming 4th year nursing student, hoping na makapag 4th year pa tayo guys. Life update guys, diba nakita nyo dito sa video guys, nag-case press kami sa mental, pero happy to say hindi kami napili guys, kasi doon maggagawa kami ng case press per group. Magpe-present kami, mag-ready kami, pero isa lang yung pipiliin guys. So, update, hindi kami napili, kaya super saya. Hindi lang ako makapag-video nun kasi nga bawal mag-video sa mental guys. Bawal yung phone sa loob. So, hindi na natin madadocument yun. So, after nun guys, so, para ako nabunutan ng tinik nun that time. Kasi tapos na kami sa mental, but I'm so happy na na-enjoy ko siya guys, yung rotation ko sa mental guys. I'm so grateful sa lahat. And after nun guys is thesis defense kami. And update guys, hindi ako napag-video doon ng marami kasi nga, syempre busy, hindi mo na makuha mag-video. But, success kami guys, and konti lang naman yung mga revision namin guys, which is normal lang naman yun sa mga nag-thesis defense. Sila, yung mga, wait lang, ano lang to, pampalubag-lab. Halos lahat ng mostly naman ng groups is merong revision talaga. Hindi mawawala yun guys, mga recommendation ng mga panelists. So, isa pa yun guys sa mga na raos namin, yung thesis defense. Tapos ngayon guys, today is June 18. It's a Tuesday, and bukas Wednesday is meron kaming exam. This is the final exam. And wala akong review guys ng maayos. So, konti na lang talaga officially incoming 4th year nursing student na ako guys. Hi guys! Update! Tapos na exam namin sa MedSurg.
4th year na kami guys!
Yes! Road to 4th year! So, book by na lang kami ng research saka yung behavioral analysis namin guys. Bye! Hey guys! Live update! Tapos na exam. Ano masasabi nyo? Rar? Anong bida-bida yan?
Ang
Ganda ka uniform! Mausap pa!
Advocacy ko to.
Advocacy ko.
Advocacy ko to.
Role model?
Magandang tumawa sir. Hindi ko kasi napansin, best. Nagmamadali ako kanina.
Thank you, Earl. Thank you. Tapos na kami sa finals, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vitaverse PH. I got my Vitaverse Sleep Vitamins. My fave. Hard work. Wow, ganito kakapal. Finally. Guys, ito yung pangalan ko. Ay, ito pala. Sorry, mas aesthetic sa amin. Sure na ba ito magka 4th year? Sure na yan! Hi guys! So today is June 26 and it's Wednesday. So, ito na siya guys. Yung thesis namin guys. Papapirma ako ng thesis namin sa mga panels. Isa lang naman guys sa BC. So, ito na. Road to 4th year. Here we go! Ako lang mag-isa guys kasi hindi sila available lahat. Dito ako sa faculty. Finally, this is it! Thank you Sheila for the cookies. Guys, siya yung nag-bake dito. Hala, parang may Philippine flag dun, oh. Naka-color red. What can you say? Sa bake ni Sheila.
I like the texture. It's chewy.
Thank you Sheila for the spaghetti. May vitamin B12 po ba to? Thank you.